Hi, this is Scott. I'm one of the trainers with Practice Self-Regulation, and today I'd like to talk to you about COVID-19. Actually, more importantly, we'd like to talk to you about some things that you may do that may help you to alleviate some of the stress or anxiety that's related to what's going on in the world right now. So we have 5 tips to help you deal with COVID-19 overload. Tip number 1, pick a favorite release and stick with it. That could be venting to your family members. It could be going for a hike, dancing, yoga, playing with your dog, talking to your friends on the phone, anything you can do that's going to help you. So take a few moments and think about what, if anything, is bringing you any sense of relief throughout the day. Then I'd like you to be mindful. Think about how much time you actually have to dedicate to this activity, and is there a time of day that would be better to do it? Make sure that you are able to weave that activity, or if possible, more than one activity that helps bring relief into your daily schedule throughout each and every day. Tip number 2, consider sharing your pain. It may become less painful. Holding all your feelings inside or holding your pain inside right now is not necessarily going to make you feel any better. Find somebody you trust, reach out to them, and figure out a way to share what's going on with you, your struggles, and have them share their struggles with you. Make sure it's somebody that you trust, and make sure you guys have the agreement to share your struggles or share what you're going through without any judgment at all. Tip number 3, laugh as often as you can. Finding humor during this time of COVID-19 does not mean that we should take the pandemic any less seriously or that it hasn't changed the way that we are living our lives, because it actually has. What it does mean is that it's important to find humor and to engage in laughter, because laughter is good medicine and it will help provide some kind of counterbalance to the relentless stress that you may be experiencing on a daily basis. So find moments throughout the day, find things that make you laugh, people that make you laugh, and try to engage in those things, making sure that you have some humor to balance all the stress and anxiety that you may or may not be experiencing. Okay, so tip number 4. Tip number 4 is all about connection. We know that right now things are not the way they normally are. So a lot of us could be feeling socially isolated, could be feeling all by ourselves. Reach out to somebody that you care for and ask them to connect with you. It's important to have these connections, and what we can do is we can send them an email, we can send a text message, we can ask them if they have time to chat or talk on the phone or video conference sometime throughout the day, so that way you're making sure that you're still connected and you're not feeling as isolated as you may be. 5. Tip number 5 is all about maintaining your spirit. Think about those things that make you happy and that are most important to you, and try to focus on those things and reflect on them at least once or twice throughout the day. Take a moment throughout the day when you're taking a break to celebrate your uniqueness, to think about those things that make you incredible, and celebrate the things that make you you. Thank you. We're hopeful that these 5 tips will help you create some space in your day and some space in your life to make you feel better about yourself and to deal with what's going on in a healthy, happy way. And remember, taking care of yourself and being healthy is the most important contribution you can make during this time of pandemic. Thank you.